Do you like a simple and a quick dish? You have to try my black pepper chicken. It's perfectly suitable for an after-work cooking. Let's get into it. We begin by chopping the garlics. Just roughly chop them, then we slice the onions. Then cut them into half. Cut the chicken into big chunks. Melt the butter in a pan over low heat. Add the garlic and the onions. Cook until the onions become translucent and soft. Add the black pepper and sugar. Stir fry for roughly 1 minute until you can smell black pepper. Now we move the onions to the other side of the pan. Increase the heat to high. Add the chicken. We let the chicken sear for roughly 1 minute. Add the soy sauce. Quickly stir fry. Add roughly 75ml water. Turn the fire to a low heat. Cook with a lid for roughly 5 minutes. In the meantime, if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. I share or remake one recipe every single week. Increase the heat to high. Cook until the sauce thickens. It's super peppery with a bit sweetness from the onions and sugar. And now I just want a bowl of rice. If you like my recipe, please hit that subscribe button and check my other cooking videos.